知道。Reversal. Okay. So But blue is the sky. Oh, okay. So blue is the sky. What? We should just start the stopwatch so that we got more stress. Alright. Okay. With missing space, so we encounter space we added when we said the word. Otherwise, we added the word. So the we found this, we put it in. And what's going on here? We're missing the coffee is so good. Okay, so if we found the space, which is here, we get the word, and the word has to be added in front. Okay, so if well, then do this, otherwise what's going to be this word, right? Plus equal. We set the word. What happened? Oh, buff. And so this, we found the sky thing, and then we found this. So why is it not adding space? Oh, okay, okay. So when we get another word here, this word and this, gotta do this, right? Okay, so what's wrong with the second case? Space here, okay, space. So we found the word hello space, okay. How many space here? One, right? Okay. So every time we found a space, oh, okay. So what happened here is it and the word, right? space. How much space here? Look like two space, right? So let's print out the word here. Word is okay. There's some space here. Okay. But another thing we can do, we can just split and do that, right? Alright, let's try that. So this would just make it become the sky is blue. Yeah, why don't we do that? We just need to do this. Right? Buffer equal. This is actually word now. Right? Word plus. Because we added them, right? We gotta go beginning to this end. What? Equal. Oh, plus. Okay. Right. Okay. So next one. Product of array except cells. We multiply an algorithm that run in ON. So let's start the timer. Oh, reset. Given an integer array. Oh, you cannot use division because you can just multiply all of them and divide as you go, right? So we have so basically the first one is 2, 3, 4, right? Second one is 1, 3, 4, right? Yeah. Third one is 1, 2, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, okay. So we have to. So for sure we know the first one is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And we don't do the 1. So it started with 24, right? And the second one we have to see we have the division. That should be fine because then you can just keep dividing by this. Be fine, right? So So it looks like we need a prefix and suffix, right? Because we every time we go to position I, right? So we would have a prefix, right? That would be 1. This would be 1 multiplied by 2. Right? 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. And so on. 2 multiplied by 4, right? No. 3 multiplied by 4, right? So suffix, right, is, so the first one is 1. Okay, so this we would sum from the back, right? So this would be, right? So the sum of the particular one will be a prefix. 1 minus the prefix, right? So this would be 1, right? This would be 1, 2, right? This would be 1, 2, yeah, this would be 1, 2, 3, right? So this, that's the prefix. So we have to multiply with the suffix, right? So we are here, it's only this. So this is, we don't count the beginning and the end, right? Because that will just be covered by these, right? But the one in between is, so this is, this is 1, 3, and this should be 4, right? Yeah. This should be 3 multiplied by 4, right? Right. So yeah, and so on. This would be 2, 3, 4, right? So we don't count this. Right, so for this one, it will be 1, 3, 4, right? So this would be 3, 4, right? So this one right here will be 1, 2, and 4. Yeah, 1, 2, and 4. Okay, so 4 has to be here. Right? And so on, right? Let me see, is that correct? So as you go through here, you basically 1 multiplied by 2. Yeah. So first one will be this, and the second one will be, so if you do this, you need the sum, right? So basically if you are here, you multiply with these and the sum up to here, right? Right, so 1, 3, 4, right? So you are here, as you go here, you sum them, right? So you have a front and you have a back, right? So let's do that. So let's call it left and right. So you have here, you would start the sum with, if you go here, you need the sum up to here, right? So right, so, oh no, product, sorry. So let's run through them again if I'm correct. So if you are here, the product gonna be this. Okay? If you are here, so you would have, like if you have two arrays, right? So 1, 2, 6, 24, right? So the other way will be 4 and then 12 and then 24, right? And then 24, right? So if you add here, you will know that this is this one, right? If you are here, you need, if you are here, you need these, right? So no, you're here, you need this multiply with this, right? So this is true that we can do 1, 2, what is that? 6, 24, right? And then we would go and multiply the other way, right? So this becomes 24, 12. What is it? 8. So if you are here, right? You got 6. No, you got 2. And so at any particular position, you need to look on the left to figure out your sum up to that, right? And on the right, sum from the back, right? So let's do that. Prefix equal right, so you have, so if you add this, right, you multiply this with this, right? So if you are here, right, so if you are here, you multiply 2 and 4, right? Is that what it is? Right? Okay. So let's try that. So you are here, you multiply these and these. You here, you multiply these and these. Right? And so we fix some, right? These 4i So 1, 2, 6, 24, 4, 12, 24, 24. Oh. Oh. Okay, so that looks correct. So then it's just gonna be 24 and 6. Okay, so basically resolve for I which are what's that? Non-argument. Right. Roll dot. So if I greater than 0, so if you are here, right, you're gonna be, so basically this one, right, so b gonna be first equal to if I minus 1, right, then 0, then 0, and b equal. What's the left? B1 is gonna be equal to minus 1. Okay, okay. Prop gonna be that, right? And if I plus 1 be suffix n and something like that. Okay. Berapa? Something is wrong. Oh, time limit exceeded. What? Why? Oh, it is 01. Then we shouldn't do the thing, right? So 1, 1. So we look. This is ON, right? Suffix here. we do here is the useless or maybe this, oh, we should do a DQ, because array juggling is too much, right? So let's do so this is, yeah, so this should be so basically, okay, while we still have a prefix, basically man number, have to be careful there. If right, so hold on, so we are here and we want the other one, right? So basically we are here. Okay guys, what happened here? Oh, minus 1 is fine. Okay, fine. Okay. So, is this correct? So we are here. We want so we got the first one. So okay, so let's see. Let's do our prefix and suffix first. Right, so we have this. So basically, if we are here, we want the suffix, right, which is 4, 3, 12, right? 4, 12, 24. We are here. That means, okay. So basically, if it is, we can pop. We have pop that. Right? Otherwise, do we care about so we choose here? Okay, so we don't care about the first one, so we can pop. Click and suffix. Right, so then we can do that. Right. So use test case and see if it passes. What? If okay, so Casey pass now. This is wrong. So maybe we don't need to copy this. What? Let's see. So we have these multiplied by these and these. So basically, we would have this multiplied to starting point. These gonna be these multiplied by this one. Okay. So we are here will be these multiplied with this. Right. Right, so we skip. So basically now we have 124. With this, we have 2. It will be 1 to 4. And then 2. This one, 2, 12. Alright guys, we'll come back for this. Prison chiplet subsequence. So let's stop this. like you can have a stack. So like if we do first, that's 6 minus 6, that has nothing. 4. 4 is less than 6, so we got this. And then 0 again. 4, 6. So because the stack has length is greater than 3, we found, right? Okay, let's try that. For example, like you have to pop the stack, right? So let's say if we have current stack is 5, 6, right? And we see an 8. So 8 gonna go in and kill all this. Right. Yeah. So if the current value is greater than or equal, right? To this, then you set that up, right? Somehow we go out here and right. Oh, why? Okay, so let's see. Let's print this out there. Okay. So expected true got false. Okay, so why? It's the last one. What happened to 5? Oh, we can check 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we got if the num is greater than The number is greater than. Why is it not 345? Number is greater than 100. Oh, wait a minute, guys. Wrong. This is this, right? Because we pushed the index. What a fumble. There we go. Right. Let's see. Wrong answer. False. True. Why is it true? There's one. One. Oh, 0, 1, there. 0. Right, so I think the problem here is okay, so this is the key that we got wrong. Okay, so we have got 3 here. Yeah, 1 is not greater than 2. So now we got 3. Right? So probably 4 gonna kill all of this, but 0 will not be okay because 0 can do this, right? Right. So that is the wrong approach. So 0, 1, 3 still works, right? And time, but that wasn't work. Right? What can we do? So, okay, so we found one. We put one here. Or did we go from the front then? Greater than the F here. Okay. So we found 0. 0 is less than. So definitely not counted for the the goal is I less than j less than k, right? What is the topic of this? Array and greedy. how many numbers greater than 1? And we find that out. But that is ON squared. So back to this approach. Because now we got 1 and 2. So we got 4. 4 shouldn't kill them, I guess. Right? So because 0 gonna be fine. 0 gonna found 1 and 2. Alright, let's go to the next one, guys. We will come back to the other one. Okay? Begin with empty string. What? So we return the method. We store in the input characters array choice. Oh, return the length. So we just count them. Right, so okay. So you want to find you want to count these, right? What we can do is we keep counting now. We must find out that use only constant extra space. So we shouldn't allocate an array. Okay. They want you to modify this in place. Right. If chars j, chars I, right? Then basically we count the that this mean that we should just if the group length is 1, append the character to S. Otherwise, append the character followed by the group length. Okay, so basically on the I and cars that's happening. If come and so now J plus 1 J because so we fix the number, right? So I gonna be so J gonna become minus 1, right? So, oh, J gonna become I minus 1 because J plus 1 outside. Like that. What? Oh. So basically let's do A2 oh that's the 2 okay let's go now A2 B2 what is A4 here A2 and oh this would be J, right? Yeah. Okay. A B B C what? Okay, so why is it A here? So this would be oh I see. So that okay. So A what? A2 right? Okay, so what is this here? Yeah, correct. Why does it become so J here is when it's not equal, right? So this CC is correct. But now, okay, so let's print out the chart. Okay, so somehow so uh, time is it? So this is correct. So okay, so all of these will become 2A2, and then we discard whatever it is. Right? So it's these, and then the next I'm gonna start. Okay. So I'm actually gonna be um, okay, so we have these. Okay, gotta start. So we start at this. We say that okay, it is equal to that. And count. So no problem with counting. No problem with counting, right? So we construct this, right? So then child is actually gonna be whatever is beginning till I, right? Yeah. Plus CC right? Like that. turn on here. Oh, we have to do the same thing here. Outside. Let's say that if actually it doesn't count at all. So something like that. What? Okay, so what happened to me now? What's going on here? Okay. Why is it 5 yet? What the hell is output here? Six, correct. A2, B2, B3. Right, so so the first thing is what the hell? Bro, what does this mean? Popo. I might accept the C. Maybe if we fix the C, we should be good. Hold on. Before last is 3. And J will be J here. 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So J is miscounting. So J. Why does it suddenly become A2? Right? 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 2, okay. So does that mean we do this, right? Like that. Why is it 7? Okay. Why is it 5? Oh, guys. Holy moly, guys. This is wrong counting, is it? Right? This is correct now. A2, B2, C3. What are we supposed to return? A, B12. Yeah? So what do you mean? What do you mean? So hard. Or do you mean to say that I have to do this? Like that? I don't understand the problem. If the group, okay. Note that the group length. Wait, do you even get to the 10 yet? After you've done your try to take a new length. You must use the one that with constant extra space. What does that mean? Example of that. You have to change them in place. I did, you dummy. This one, right? A2, B2. Oh, wait. I think you need to modify this in place. Somehow. Right, so what it is saying here is what this means is this just keep going, right? Okay. So basically what happened is so, okay, equal, so I here gonna become J and J minus 1. Right? That's it. Okay. So that means we have to have okay to keep track of the last position, right? So basically here we have basically after we have the thing, we have to do char of k. Right? Chars of first chars of k equal chars of, right? And then char of k plus 1 equal that. And basically here we're gonna be what's it called, right? So we have to do the same thing here. So out here chars of k, chars of I, and chars of k plus 1. Right. Right. So that is that. Yo, 30 minutes is this stupid problem, bro. Okay, so after we got this, we put this chart down. A2, B, oh, so whatever this is, okay, this, that, oh, like that. A2, B2, C3, guys. Almost there, guys. A2, did we have count as an error, right? We have an extra C for no reason. Oh, this is because we have to return basically K. Right? Okay, nice one. Oh, okay, right? I think. Oh, okay, thank God. Okay, what's wrong with this? So 12 has to be one word. Right, so basically here what we have B12. Okay. So this becomes that. If count is greater than 1, then become that. How oh what did they say about within the equivalent that are time on longer will be spent to multiple characters in chars. Okay, so basically so let's write a function for that. I wonder if I'll be right back for the restroom. Okay, I'm back. Let's continue. Basically, we should run. So basically, this would just be C or C in this, right? That. What a horrible discussion, maybe. What? this we haven't done. What have we not done? Okay. So this in this. Let's see if we can finish the array and string. Maybe we can take a break. Okay, so what happened here? Why is it not ABA? Because cannot, because ABAB cannot, you know, concatenate. So we messed that. Ooh, they have ice cream. Let me get ice cream. got what is this? I got peach sorbet gelato. Nah, it's just too hot here. The sun is in my face. What you got there? Are you eating any stuff right now? You not eating anything? Come on, man. Wait, what time is it over there where you are? Is that dinner time? Or something? 8:30 p.m. Ah. How is Tide Blazer? What you working on right now? Yeah, it's pretty cool, my man. Tide Blazer, guys. Oh, by the way, I think I signed up the other day. It doesn't send me email or something. Let me check. Can I sign up? Oh, I have a continue with GitHub or Google. Doesn't send email at the moment. Oh, I see. Can I log in with my GitHub? Let me try. Oh yeah. Okay. Change it to Drupal. What? Oh, I signed in with my email. I think last time. Let me try that. I think. Yeah, do the pause. Is there any daily challenge right now? Ricky Work is crazy, my man. Lao Bao. Let me try. Pretty bad at typing. Oh! Okay, what happened? Oh my man. Jose Ruiz Velasco. He was 7 years old. Studying. Oh! Figure. Oh. This guy. Hey! Ricky Kwong is crazy, my man. Oh, you are number 6 here. Midnight Salmon. Wow. You fast. 95. Let me do this. Try one more time. Oh, it's the same. Maybe different passes or something. Or is it like a daily they fix the passage or something? Maybe another random challenges would be fun. Whoa. Yeah, this Tide Blazer is pretty sick. Who follow me? Thank you for the follow. And if you see this, try Thai Blazer guy. Lead code. I'm just doing this lead code 75. Trying to time myself so that I can finish them faster. So far so good. Um, yeah. I see some of the people doing CE, CS as well, which is crazy, I think. Oh no, sorry guys. CES probably. What? No. CSES. CSES, yeah. It's pretty nut. So I think right now I just take a break, right? So right now I just chilling for a little bit, then I go home. For the last couple of days, I just been trying some coffee shop to see if there's any difference because I'm tired of staying at home. And what time you going on today? Are you going online tonight at all, Simon? Okay. Oh, I'm in Seattle right now. Actually, I can check your lifetime. Right? You have a website. I can. Simon. Yeah. Upcoming stream Saturday. Today's Friday. Okay. Oh, yeah. I'll join you there. I'm probably just gonna chill for a little bit. Then I have to pack and go home. I think this shop closes in 20 minutes or something. But yeah, if there's people watching, this is the Simon website. Pretty cool. Oh. Oh. Yeah. So that's it where I am right now. I'm taking a break. Maybe I try to solve some problem, but other than that, I'll go home. Review. Okay. There's the code contest. What time? In one day. Okay. So that was 7:30 p.m. Do I have any interview coming up? I think I have one. It's a small company, so I was just trying to practice under time for now. Because I feel like I don't perform well under like timing. So yeah. For this contest, did you win any of these? You have never. I'm not like a bro. Come on, bro. You got that Google gig, my friend. You gotta win, man. So what kind of thing they have here? Got a backpack. You got a note. You got a water bottle. Mm. Do do they give you kind of like the top tier people? Top tier people lead code? What? Top 8.6% contest winning and unemployed. How? They have a leaderboard. Okay. Leaderboard. Uh, what? There's a guy named Leaderboard or something. Uh, wait, hold on. How do I get that? Okay, global ranking. Alexei, somebody from Russia, number one over there. Belarus. Wow, amazing. Cookie Senpai. Cold audio. I was seeing the other day. There was the guy who solved like 3,000 or something. This guy. Road to solving every lead code. What's going on? Okay. That is crazy. 3,100 or something. That is crazy. Leadcode.com contest global ranking. Bats Sim, yeah, Bats is crazy. Bat is doing CSES the other day, I think. Bat Sim. Okay. Yeah, he was doing. What is he doing? Yeah, CSES. Yeah, that's the one that I watch. Pretty crazy, guys. There's crazy people out there. But yeah. Well, I think I've been sitting here for long already. I think I'm gonna head out now so that I don't occupy the place for this. A lot of people coming in for the coffee right now. And thanks for hanging out, Simon. I'll join you. I'll join you tomorrow. And let me check what was the daily time here is daily leaderboard or something. Who's the championship? Oh, wait, hold on. Next championship is in 14 minutes though. So Ricky Wang's still crazy. Hold on. Let me do a couple practice and then I'll do the championship and I can go. Let me do the daily again. Wait, hold on. Can I not retake? Oh wait, you can only do one retake. How do I practice? Oh, you only have 2 attempts. How do can I practice? Yeah, single player. Normal mode. Hardcore. Okay, right there. Small databases can be stored on a... Oh, no. Simplified system. Larger databases are typically Dictionary is not. Oh, training. Where's training? Okay, economic, individuals. Tomorrow. Ah! Okay, so let's see what it, 1 mistake and it's over. Okay, let's try that. Oh my man. That's crazy. Um, multiplayer. Oh, you can play with other people. Uh, how fast can you go? Check it. Medical What? Oh no. Alright. Oh, 10 minutes. Shop is closing, guys. Alright, I think I had probably going because I think the shop is closing. So, thank you for hanging around, and I'll see you at the challenge tomorrow. Thank you.